Netflix India, Tanmay Bhatt, we got a beef. Just kidding. We don't beef on Inku channel, but yeah, we have some battles. Netflix India, मैं अपनी आत्मा बेचने को तैयार हूँ खुद की. Please stop making Tanmay Bhatt reacting to anime. For God's sake, please. मैं कभी किसी को इतना खराब तरीके से रिक्वेस्ट नहीं किया जितना नेटफ्लिक्स इंडिया कर रहा हूँ. मुझे पता है तन्मय भट्ट और नेटफ्लिक्स इंडिया आर द बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. मुझे ये भी पता है कि वाई तन्मय इज रिएक्टिंग टू एनिमे दिस मच. उसके पीछे एक बैक स्टोरी है. तन्मय ट्राई टू स्ट्रीम समथिंग ऑन हिज स्ट्रीम एनिमे और उसको कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक लगा. दूसरे दिन तन्मय भट्ट इज रिएक्टिंग ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स चैनल एनिमे. तन्मय भट्ट इज रिएक्टिंग टू एनिमे ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स चैनल. और इट्स ओके कि वो डेथ नोट देख रहा है. डेथ नोट को रिएक्ट किया उसने एंड वेल उसका रिएक्शन वाज समथिंग
लाइट. प्रेप क्लास है. फायर और वाटर ऑलरेडी पहुंच चुके हैं. ट्यूशन. मम्मी 1 मिनट में मर्डर करके आ रहा हूँ. Minutes earlier, I will be the one that saves the world. I will eliminate the bad guys. 2 minutes later, मैंने मार दिया लोग. ये दोनों सेम इंसान है क्या? Are these the same guys? Either these two are the same person, or
I am unfunny.
His reactions were very bad. Okay, they were this bad कि Netflix India समझ नहीं जाता कि Death Note was the dead end of anime reaction. But for some reason, Netflix made Tanmay Bhatt react to One Punch Man. Like, dude, One Punch Man. Like, for watching One Punch Man, you need to at least watch 3 shonen anime to have the actual fun of One Punch Man. तो One Punch Man का मजा ही नहीं आ पाएगा. Like, you can watch One Punch Man, no issues. But अगर तुमने कोई actual shonen anime देखा होगा और उसके अंदर One Punch Man देखा होगा, that's the real fun. फिर भी तन्मय भट्ट ने रिएक्शन दिया एंड
Hero Association. Is Tiger Shroff a part of it?
इसलिए मैं बोला था कि 3 shonen anime देखो या फिर ऐसे गंदे जोक मारते बैठोगे.
Okay. First of all, what a dick. Secondly, can we just address where's his dick?
Okay, not gonna lie, this joke is actually very funny. Unless Tanmay Bhatt overuses it and then he ruins the joke. And that's what he did. Oh my god, this guy just like ruins things so easily. Like One Punch Man is one of my favorites and it's not like he ruined it, but bro, like it's like don't say that like that. It's not like that, bro. Like try to understand.
No, am I the only one who's like, yo, where's that? What is this show? I'm not understanding.
उसका रिएक्शन का थंबनेल वाज समथिंग लाइक वन पंच मैन मोर देन डेथ नोट. Dude, why is the thumbnail made like this? अब मेरे को पता है तन्मय ने लास्ट में ऐसा बोला था कि there's no comparison between Death Note and One Punch Man. There's no comparison.
That was awesome. I enjoyed that a lot. Maybe even more than Death Note. No, I don't want to compare. तुम लोग सब लोग चढ़ जाओगे मेरे ऊपर में. They're both exactly the same amount of good.
Hi, sorry for this weird interruption, but I wanted to address that comparing Death Note and One Punch Man is basically like comparing John Wick and Sherlock Holmes. Yeah, it's like that. So the thing is that it's not even the same genre, so comparing them won't even make any sense. But इसलिए मैं इधर बीच में नहीं आया actually. I felt like I was kind of rude in this video to Tanmay Bhatt because I was kind of salty when I watched this video. I am actually not that kind of rude. I am very wholesome person. So I advance my apologies मांग रहा हूँ because look, I didn't like his reactions because he's lame as fuck. but yeah, I guess he can improve himself. But why did you just make a thumbnail like this? Because of that, Tanmay Bhatt is kind of breeding the audience for anime, which is we pro anime people don't want. Like on a serious note, like for example ये देख लो.
Lighter could lift Thor's hammer because he is worthy.
पर रिंकू, तुझे क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है? इंडियन एनिमे कम्युनिटी ग्रोथ तो हो रही है, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो है नहीं. हाँ, एक्चुअली अच्छी बात है कि ग्रोथ हो रही है, बट लाइक the first reason why I made this video against Tanmay Bhatt is that Tanmay Bhatt is a over thinker. तुम्हें क्या लगा बताओ. Oh my god, so cringe. भाई पागल हो, कैसे जोक नहीं मार रहे, कैंसिल नहीं होना मैंने. The reason why I made this video is because Tanmay is an overthinker. Like an overthinker is over an overthinker. Yeah, an overthinker. The reason is कि it's okay to compare fictional characters with anime characters at some extent. For example, the gentleman who explained Death Note in so less words, comparing with other fictional characters, which made the audience blow up with their mind. जिसके पॉडकास्ट पे आया था वो बंदा अट्रैक्ट हो चुका था एनिमे को सेकंड्स के अंदर.
वो है डेथ नोट. जब वो खत्म हो गएगा तुम कहोगे भाई एपिसोड इसके बाद से कचड़ा हो गया, जो फैक्ट है. लेकिन देखो
एक सर्टेन एपिसोड के बाद से वो
कचड़ा हो जाएगा. लेकिन डेथ नोट एंट्री कर देगा, यानी कि तुम फेमिलियर हो जाओगे. अब तुम एनिमे देख के सडनली अगर मैं कोई तुम्हें दूसरा एनिमे दे दूं ना, तुम कहोगे भैंचो मैं क्या देख रहा हूँ. डेथ नोट इज परफेक्ट गेटवे एनिमे कि जब तुम स्टार्ट करोगे तुम कहोगे इसमें कुछ भी वियर्ड नहीं है. स्टोरी तुम्हारे दिमाग के घोंसले खोल देगी.
अच्छा,
घोंसले खोल देगी. समझ लो बैटमैन वर्सेस शर्लॉक होम्स. It's as simple as that.
And the comparison was like वो आदमी and Tanmay Bhatt's reaction. For fuck's sake. I know Tanmay Bhatt never watched anime. Tanmay Bhatt used to think that anime is cartoons. I can understand. But Death Note was a dead end. And it was like okay. And the thing is that the second reason why I made this video was like Death Note, One Punch Man, ठीक है भाई कर लिया. But then I saw this video. Hogwarts का वारिस. Hogwarts का वारिस. Hogwarts का वारिस. Dude, please stop ruining Naruto for me. Like God's sake, for fuck's sake, man. Naruto and Harry Potter. You just ruined it. You ruined the both of things for me. Thank you. Like it was like actual ruining. Like that guy actually नहीं कि जोक मार देता स्टार्टिंग में कि I watched this anime and I ruined it.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tanmay reacts to Netflix shows and trashes them and gets paid for it by Netflix themselves.
I know कि Netflix let him react only 1 or 2 episodes of anime. और the thing is that कि अगर तुम लोग कंपेयर करने आओगे तो shows like Peaky Blinders, Breaking Bad and anime. The difference is that कि anime का एक episode is almost 15 to 17 minutes if you minus the opening and endings. और तुम लोगों को पता है तन्मय भट्ट opening को किस तरह से react करता है. And whereas if it comes to Lucifer or Money Heist, उनके एपिसोड रहते हैं 1-8 घंटे के. So that prior difference is that कि एनिमे का डेवलपमेंट टेक्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 3 to 4 एपिसोड. लाइक किसी मैं कोई दोस्त को रेकमेंड कर रहा हूँ सिटकॉम या फिर कोई एनिमे, मैं सबसे पहले 4 एपिसोड के पहले मिला बात करने के लिए, इतना मारूंगा जूतों से. लाइक सीरियसली, लाइक द बोथ ऑफ देम सिटकॉम्स एंड एनिमे आर सो शॉर्ट इन लाइक ड्यूरेशन कि उनके एक एपिसोड यू जस्ट कांट जज द फ्रिक आउट ऑफ इट. एंड व्हेन इट केम टू तन्मय कि तुमको बस 1.5 एपिसोड में पूरा बता देना कि ये शो कैसा है. सो तन्मय हैव टू लाइक force the puns which are not funny at all. So that's the main reason that makes me disappointed at Netflix. Like Netflix doesn't know who to give who. Like I know Netflix is trying their best to attract Indian audience to foreign culture or foreign shows and movies, and they are doing a great job. For example, Midpat ने Alive करके एक Korean movie उस पर react किया था, and Midpat did it so nicely because he was just being himself. It was so fun to watch. Whereas Tanmay, he is like allowed to react to only 1 or 2 episodes, which and उसके अंदर he just can't figure out anything and he just blabbering anything he can. एक तो गलत बंदा है जिसको दिया है या फिर उसको टाइम कम मिल रहा है. Like it takes literally minimum 3 or 4 episodes to like judge an anime. I'm not even kidding. वो proper perfect vibe create होने को it always takes 3 to 4 episodes. अब there are animes like Vinland Saga, Dororo which just takes 1 episode. But the anime which you made Tanmay react to are not like that. One Punch Man एक है, it's an exception, but Death Note नहीं है. And Naruto तो of course नहीं. Naruto is like a 700 episode का whole series. It's like a universe. Narutoverse. Yeah, it is a Narutoverse. Not even kidding. Narutoverse. And they just made him react to Naruto's like first 2 episodes. उसमें he just can't help it. He have to force some puns into it. नहीं तो वो कॉमेडियन कैसे कहलाएगा भाई? कॉमेडियन थे हम तो, एक्स कॉमेडियन है. AIB को क्या था भाई AIB का? या तो the forced pun just makes it worse. It make it look worse. Like मैंने actually तन्मय भट्ट का 2 कंपैरिजन किए, the Death Note reaction and the Peaky Blinder reaction. And the Peaky Blinder, for frick's sake, it's the most slowest show in the world. For me, it's my opinion कि वो show बहुत slow चलता है, but it's epic. It's legitimate epic. Like जैसा भी story है, it's epic. Peaky Blinders and Breaking Bad are the slowest show in my opinion. Are the slowest show, but जब वो story में कुछ changes आते, they are on a different scale. And मैंने दोनों reaction में compare किया, and what I saw was कि तन्मय भट्ट का reaction on Peaky Blinders was epic. It was on a different scale. Whereas उसके anime का he is not able to do it. So I would recommend Netflix, hit me up on DMs. I'm always ready to react on anime. भाई तो Netflix यार live बन जाएगी यार, please. Just kidding, but on a serious note, मैंने एक चीज़ observe की है कि Netflix make people react who are always above 1 million subscribers, because reach बढ़नी चाहिए, नया audience को attract होना चाहिए. There are so many things. The thing is that कि अगर तुम लोग ऐसा कोई बंदा चाहिए जो 1 million plus और properly anime को explain कर सकता है, there's one person who can get it so on point that you can't even imagine India. Yeah, Netflix India, I'm talking to you. I know you. I know you are a one person, not a company. You are a single person. I know you are listening to me. So there's a single person in the whole anime industry, in whole YouTube industry, who can explain anime so perfectly, and his name is Mensutra. He will open a different realm of audience to you, a set of audience just for you guys. He got like 1 million plus on his Hindi channel and something on his. बहुत सब्सक्राइबर है बंदे के पास, बहुत सही है. His content, because I don't watch his content, but what I know about him is that he knows anime so very well that he can just rock Netflix India का channel. He will just rock the Netflix anime section. Like he can rock. उसका favorite anime is Full Metal Alchemist, bro. What do you think? Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood, not the first one, the Brotherhood. Just imagine, he recommends people Hunter x Hunter. Dude, Hunter x Hunter recommend कर रहा है बंदा लोगों को यार. Just imagine how epic it would be. Like Mansutra is explaining anime on Netflix India's channel. So it will be a better thing that giving Tanmay Bhatt all of the Netflix India's media to react to. Just consider at least Mansutra doing it. Okay, Mansutra more like. यार ये जोक मैंने लिखा क्यों नहीं मैंने बोला फा. By the way, if I ever in my YouTube career cross 10k subs, I will call out Mensutra and
डेथ नोट एंट्री कर देगा, यानी कि तुम familiar हो जाओगे.